How to make life easy. Try this. What if I told you that 90% of your daily stress comes from just 3 tiny habits? And the craziest part? You don't even realize you're doing them. But here's the good news. Flipping these habits is easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple blueprint to make life feel lighter. Let's dive in. Raise your hand if this sounds familiar. You wake up already behind, emails piling up, a to-do list longer than a grocery receipt, and this nagging feeling that no matter how hard you hustle, you're just treading water. Yeah, me too. For years, I thought adulting was supposed to feel like a never-ending game of catch-up, until I stumbled on these 3 mindset shifts that actually freed up my time, energy, and sanity. And no, this isn't some wake up at 4 a.m. and journal for 3 hours nonsense. These take seconds to implement, but the payoff? Massive. Here's what we're breaking down today. Shift 1. The invisible time suck 99% of people ignore. Hint, it's not social media. Shift 2. How to turn overwhelm into a superpower. Yes, really. Shift 3. The one question to ask yourself daily that cuts decision fatigue in half. Hold up 3 fingers, then fold 1 down with each point. Stick around. I'll even share my simple 2-minute rule that keeps my days frictionless. The sneaky habit that's actually stealing your time. When's the last time you consciously decided how to spend your energy? If you're like most people, the answer's a never. That's because we're all stuck in reaction mode, and that's shift 1. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these shifts are you trying first? Drop a comment below with easy, and hey, if this video made your life even 1% simpler, hit like and share it with someone who's done with overcomplicating things. See you next time.